If you've ever printed a spreadsheet and ended up with extra blank columns or stray data, setting a print area fixes that. A print area tells Google Sheets exactly which cells to include, so everything outside that range stays off the page. Here's a sales data table, and we'll set only these order rows as the area that gets printed. Start by clicking and dragging to highlight the full range of cells you want included in the printout. With your range selected, open the File menu at the top left of the screen. If this quick tip is helping you out, a like on the video would be much appreciated. The drop-down shows all the usual file options, and the one we need is Print near the bottom. Select Print to open the print settings, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P if you prefer. The print settings screen shows a live preview of your document on the left and all the configuration options on the right. By default, the print scope is set to the current sheet, which would print everything, including cells outside your table. To change that, open the Print drop-down at the top of the Settings panel. Because you highlighted a range earlier, the menu now offers your selected cells as an option alongside the current sheet. Choose the Selected Cells option, and that range officially becomes your print area. That's the core of it done, and the preview on the left now shows only the cells you picked. While you're here, it's worth tidying up the layout so the table actually fits nicely on the page. Scroll down the Settings panel to find the Scale option, which controls how the content is sized. Open the Scale drop-down to see the different ways sheets can fit your data onto the page. Pick the option that suits your layout. Fitting to width works well for wide tables like this one. Below that, the Margins setting controls how much white space frames your data on the page. Open the Margins drop-down to switch between normal, narrow, and wide spacing. Choose whichever margin style looks right for your document. Wide gives the table a bit more breathing room. Keep an eye on the preview as you adjust these settings, since it updates instantly to reflect each change. Once the preview looks the way you want, hit the blue Next button in the top right corner. Your browser's print window now opens, with the destination already set to save the file as a PDF. You could send it to a printer from here, but saving as a PDF is handy for sharing a clean copy. Click the Print button at the bottom right to finalize and save the document. And that's all there is to it. Your spreadsheet now prints only the exact range you selected, scaled, and spaced the way you set it. If you found this walkthrough useful, subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tips, just like this one.